Alright, hey guys, this is we were to start a YouTube video, but just subscribe and turn on the notifications so you get notified every time we make a new video. We have a new person on this channel. This is Colin with Nash. But I'm going to introduce everyone that's going to be walking in. First we have Abby.
Where is everybody?
Next we have Addie.
Where is everybody?
Next we have Layla.
Where is everybody?
And last but not least, Savannah. All right.
Hey guys, where is everybody? Yeah,
Right here.
Okay.
Layla, what cough are you going to do today?
Canada.
Ready? Go. Hey, Savannah, what cough are you doing?
America.
All right, what does it sound like? Hey, Colin, what kind of cough are you doing?
I'm going to be doing the Texas cough.
All right, what does that sound like? Addie, what cough are you doing?
I'm doing England.
What does that sound like? Good to know. Abby, what kind of cough are you doing?
I'm going to do
New Zealand.
New Zealand.
All right, and what does that sound like?
It kind of like.
Hey, Haley, what cough are you doing?
I'm gonna do China.
Okay, go ahead.
Sorry.
Oh, all right, good to know. Bye.
Hey, Layla, what cough are you doing now?
Germany.
And what does that sound like? So how people should sound. Awesome. Hey, Savannah, what are you doing for a cough?
Since my name's Savannah, I'm going to be doing the Savannah Swiss.
Why did you choose the Savannah Forest, and why does it sound like so silent?
Because there's a lot of animals that could attack you if you're loud.
Wow, nice to know. Oh. Hey, Colin, what one are you doing?
I am doing a North Pole cough. And this is what it sounds like.
Shake the camera.
Okay, so why are you shivering, though?
Because the North Pole is one of the coldest places on Earth. Fun fact, people had to eat each other just to get food.
Why can't they just fish?
Because it's so icy that no one can get through that ice.
Nice to know. All right, Addie, what one are you doing now?
I'm doing the ocean.
All right, what does that sound like?
It sounds like
Okay, so why do you sound like you're spitting out everything?
because I can't breathe underwater for 100 days.
Okay, didn't ask that question, but all right. All right, Savannah, Abby, who are you guys acting out to be now?
China.
And how does that go?
Savannah and Abby have COVID-19. Savannah and Abby have COVID-19.
Oh.
Hi. Unfortunately, Haley has lost her voice. She cannot do her last part. She can't even close up. The most important part to remember is stay cool, stay awesome, and to remember to love each other. See you guys. Bye.